What's up everybody, Mr. Mira here, and today we have a video that is going to walk us through installing Git for Windows. So if you want to install Git on a Mac, there will be a separate video. I'll link it right now. You'll be able to click it to go to that to see how to install this on a Mac. This is strictly for Windows only. So we are going to start here on Google, and we're just going to simply search up Git. We're going to click on this very first link that comes up, git-scm, and then we're going to click, when this page loads up here, we're going to click on the download for Windows button that it gives us. It should automatically detect what type of system you have, 64-bit, 32-bit, and it should give you the correct file to download. I'm going to hit save there. Let me open up my downloads folder. You can see it right here. We're going to double click to get started. Now it's going to ask if I want permission. I already have Git installed on this, but I will walk through this anyways. And with Git here, we're just going to keep the default options that it gives us. We're not really going to go through and select anything different. This one, I do recommend Visual Studio Code if you already have it. If not, you can drop this down and select other things like that. But Visual Studio Code, or it should give you some kind of option there to select. Just whatever the default is fine. We're going to say next. We're going to let Git decide. We're going to leave this alone. We're going to leave this alone. You can see default options, as I've said a couple times here. Next, next, next. Just keep hitting all this. Keep going here. So finally you get to the install. It's going to do its thing. It's going to install in whatever folder it needs to, and that's it. All right, that's it for this video. Next video, we're going to see how to download and install Amazon Corretto. So I'll link that right now so you can click on that to get started on that video. And until next time, everybody, have a week.